Hey guys, this is Huzaifa for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Today I'm sharing the wealth, financial abundance affirmations. And affirmation is something which is in present tense, but it is holding the power and you are able to create the reality. You are able to manifest. So these are the list of affirmations which I have just created, right? And I have created, these are only about 36 affirmations because I'm just trying to give you what it is. But in actually, if you want to buy a list of whole or more than 500 affirmations, then I have a book of myself called Positive Book of Positive Affirmation. It is available on Amazon. I will be putting the link in the description. You can buy if you want, and you can just keep with yourself because when affirmations, when you keep with yourself, it's more truthful and more useful as compared to these watching videos. I just imagine because you can refer whenever you want, right? List of positive affirmations. So right now I'm just starting, right? You can just imagine and visualize the things I'm just speaking about, right? What you speak comes becomes into existence, becomes into reality, right? When you just speak with feeling, emotions, and power. So I'm now wealthy, deserve to be wealthy. I'm now financial genius. I'm now highly pleasing to myself in the presence of other people. I know now earn, save, spend, and invest my money wisely. My wealth is increasing massively every day. My money is now creating more money. Say, remember this, my money is now creating more money. My outstanding ideas, energy, and passion are now creating new wealth for me and others around me. I now give a massive amount of wealth to the causes that I believe in. All the investment I own are profitable. Every dollar I spend returns to me massively multiplied. I manage my money effectively with precision. I now have all the money that I want and need. I now give away large amounts of wealth wisely and intelligently. When you speak, you generally create a frequency and vibration of that kind. And then when the frequency and vibration of the universe matches with that of us, then you are able to manifest. Every thought I have is now being transformed into massive financial abundance for me. I'm now creating all of the wealth that I want and need. My imagination is now creating all the financial abundance that I desire. The more of my wealth that I give away wisely, the more my personal wealth explodes massively. I now seize my opportunities boldly and courageously, decisively applying my faith through my actions. My imagination now creates all the wealth I desire. Through my power of intention, I effortlessly attract all the wealth in I need and desire. I habitually give more than I get. I cheerfully go the extra mile in every task I undertake. I am now accumulating vast amount of wealth consistent with my integrity and honesty. I respect, accept the gift of others with the knowledge of this gift were intended to gratify the giver. These are all high, means long affirmations. I don't believe in this, but you can just go for like I am affirmations because the power of I am is very much high. I am now receptive to an unexpected gift of this kind of. I'm a gracious giver and receiver, right? My wealth is now multiplying and creating more wealth easily and effortlessly. This is amazing. You repeat this twice, thrice, as much as you want, and you think about it, and you will be able to manifest. My financial abundance is now exploding massively 24 hours a day. No, this is, I don't think. I'm a money magnet. I'm a money magnet. This is really great. I'm now earning massive amount of wealth doing what I love to do while rendering useful service to other people. This is also great. But it kinds of long statement, right? You just need to choose a small statement with more power, and that you can do by playing I am affirmations. I am this and that, I am this and that, and I am the two most powerful words in the universe. Whatever you keep behind these words, you will be able to manifest, right? So keep it short and clear, right? I also made a video regarding how to visualize correctly, right? In that, I already told that be clear, be clarity, right? Be have detailed thing, right? So this goes with affirmations only, both simultaneously, your visualization process as well as your affirmations process. When you do both, then magic will begin to happen, right? So I hope this video helps you, right? So you can get all these affirmations, right? I'll just put the link in the description here. You can check out my books. And the number of selling book is the Book of Positive Affirmations. You can just buy now from Amazon, right? It is available all over the place, whether it is UK, US, India, anywhere throughout the world, you can just go through it. So I hope you are enjoying this channel. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for a little bit of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your new life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.